Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's gonna be a clean with me and undecorate. We're taking down the Christmas tree, but I quickly wanted to share with you that I finally got blinds in the new homes. You guys know I've been giving you little updates via Instagram. If you're not following me there, don't forget to do so.
Expanding our abilities.
On decorating this year, it's gonna be a breeze. I only have two Christmas trees, one in the family room, the one that we're taking down today with you guys, and the other one it's in the main living room. But I'm so happy that I only had a few details of Christmas in the house this year. So cleaning, it's gonna be a breeze. Taking my tree down, I like to separate the ornaments, the pics, and everything so I could store them nicely for next year, and that's what you see me do over here. So I use one bin for the ornaments and one bin for all the pics and florals, and I also just put my ribbon in a Ziploc bag.
Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world out.
Now it's time to vacuum all that fallout, all that glitter, and more glitter. I don't know how many times I vacuumed in this video, but I vacuumed a lot. So I decided to rearrange my sectional, and I am so happy I did this because I think this layout works better for our family and for the space.
Wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
So then I gave my sofa a nice vacuum because it had a lot of crumbs and stuff like that. From Christmas Eve, you guys already know the kids were in the family room playing non-stop, so the sofa needs a deep clean as well.
I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
This is how I move furniture when the hubby is not around. I just put socks underneath it and I drag this table from the formal living room to the family room. This is the table that I purchased originally to go in my formal living room, but you know, I don't have any furniture there, so I figured why not use it in the family room in the meantime. Get this question on a daily on Instagram. What do I use to clean my porcelain floors? And this is it, you guys. I'm gonna link it down below. I have been loving this product since I got my new floors. I've been using it and I love it. So excited to finally use these pillow covers because they are so pretty, you guys. Wait until you see them. I got this on Amazon, so I will link them down below. But look how gorgeous. It's a perfect gray, and then with the silver detail that you guys know I love so much. And it's a velvet material with like metallic detail. So beautiful. You need to get them.
Meant to be expanding our abilities.
For the coffee table, I'm going to keep things simple because this is the room that gets used the most. This is a family room, and honestly, I don't want to be taking things in and out of the table. So here I'm just putting my books, and I put this cute little marble change detail that I got on TJ Maxx. The tray that you see there is from Burlington, and I'm just gonna add my beautiful orchid that I got from my friend.
So baby, we should start living now.
And here I am in my kitchen. I'm just doing a little tidying up in this space, unloading the dishwasher and putting things away. You guys know that sometimes you just throw everything in the counter. It happens. So this is not a deep clean with me on the kitchen, but I will have a kitchen organization video coming up in January. So stay tuned for that video because this kitchen is quite small. So I want to do something to it to make it more functional for our family. So stay tuned for that.
Can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have
Can happily say that I'm ready to start 2021 with a clean house, with a clean slate, and honestly, it's time for me to plan my spring projects, including furnishing this home.
Say what's wrong or right. We're the only ones who can
That was it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I want to wish you all a happy new year. Many blessings for 2021. Let's make it our year. God bless, and I will see you on the next one.